Hey guys, what's up? So TikTok is having a new feature called captions. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways you can turn on this feature. So for the first one, you can go to your profile. On your profile, on the top right corner of the screen, you will see these three horizontal dot. You can tap there. Okay, this is your setting and privacy page. Here, slide up until you see accessibility. Just tap there. Okay, as you can see, my caption is already turned on. You can make it off or on. Likewise, just tap on it to make it on. Okay, this is the first way. The second one, you have to go to a video. Okay, so this feature is new, so all the video don't have captions, so we need to go to some specific video. Okay, this is a video with captions.
Guys, I finally got the caption thing on TikTok. Hold on, look.
Okay, as you can see, there's some caption here. So if you see some caption in the video, or if you want to know if this video is having caption, what you have to do, you just have to tap on this forward button. Okay, and here you will see this button, captions. Just tap there. Okay, and from here also you can turn on this feature or turn off this feature, likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can turn on this caption feature on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.